This is the Klamath Folding hunting knife by Leatherman. It's recently been discontinued. We only have a few left in stock. I think the exact number will be included in the specs after this presentation. It's such a nice knife, I thought would like a closer look at it before we exhausted our supply. It has a stainless steel blade. Despite its appearance, it is very light. Don't try that at home, kids. It has a back blade release. It has a sharpening rod and a protective tube that fits right in to the handle of the blade. At the back of the handle is an easy to access gut hook that goes right back in. It also comes with a leather sheath for easy carry. Like I said, they're very limited and available at leathermanstore.com.